Hello everyone, let's see how to center text across multiple cells without merging in Excel. So here I select this entire sentence. So you can see here the C to F column cell here I selected. After that, press the Ctrl+1 shortcut key to open Format Cells. Then click on the Alignment tab. In text alignment, in horizontal, click on this drop-down arrow and select here Center Across selection. After that, click on OK. And you can see your selected text center across multiple cells without merging. Again, I show you, I type here, I select the cell and type here subscribe and like and share. Okay, so here I select the first cell and select the H column cell. You can see D2 H column cell here selected. After that, I press the Ctrl+1 and in Format Cell, in horizontal, I click on this drop down arrow and click on the center across the selection. After that, click on OK and here you see your text here merge. Here the one bonus tip, after done this center across selection, again press the Ctrl+1. Here click on the font tab. You can select here the different font. You can select the different font style. You can change the font size and you can select the different color. You can check preview also here. After that, click on OK and here you can see. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you.